I was away for almost an hour now. So what have you both painted?
Oh, I have painted a scenery.
And I made a star.
That's good. Now, let me have a look at your paintings. Very good. You both have done a great job.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Toko.
Thanks.
Mr. Toko, today you were supposed to teach us something new. What is it?
Yes, my dear. But first, let me show you both a painting. Try to guess what I have made.
It's an animal.
I think it's a dog.
That's good, Max. You are right.
Wow. But it looks a bit different.
Yes, Amber. That's because I have used a basic geometric shape to draw it. Let's first see the different types of basic shapes. The mainly used basic shapes are square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Let's check the colors now. The color of the square is yellow. The color of the rectangle is red. The color of the circle is green. And the color of the triangle is blue. Now, can anybody guess the shape used in the painting?
The basic shape used is triangle.
Good job, Amber. Triangles of different sizes are used in this painting for the face, body, legs and ears. And the color used is orange. Such paintings are generally known as geometric designs. They are used for designing clothes and bed sheets and tiles also.
Mr. Toko, can you please show us more such paintings?
Oh, sure, Max. I have got another one.
Oh,
Here, yellow triangles are used.
right, Mr. Toko?
Yes, Max. The sails of the boat are made of yellow triangles. Now, I want you both to try painting using the basic shapes.
But what do we paint?
Please show me your paintings. Amber, you can draw a scenery using the basic shapes. And Max, you can draw a star using the basic shapes. Also, you both have to tell me the colors used in the painting.
Hey, that's a great idea.
Come on, let's start painting.
Wait, first revise the names of the basic shapes. Amber, can you tell us?
The basic shapes are square, rectangle, circle and triangle.
Very good, Amber.
I have used triangle and circle to make a scenery. The mountains are brown triangles. And the sun is a yellow circle.
I have used circles to make a star. The circles are blue in color.
You both have done a great job. So today, we learned making geometric designs.
Oh yes, I enjoyed making the paintings.
I had fun too.
Now help me count the number of triangles used in this painting. How many triangles can you see?
I think there are 9 triangles.
And I think there are 12 triangles.
Well, I'm afraid both of you are wrong. Let's start counting. There are 9 triangles. And finally, the big triangle which contains all these small triangles.
Wow, that's really cool, Mr. Toko. Oh, we have to go for our drawing class. Mr. Toko must be waiting.
Oh yes, I just forgot. Come on, let's go. Hello, Mr. Toko.
Hey kids, I was just thinking about both of you. So shall we start our class?
Sure.
Amber, do you know the shape of the frisbee?
Oh, it is a circle, right, Mr. Toko?
Yes, but we say it is circular in shape.
Okay.
We can also say that it is round in shape, which means it has curved edges.
What are curved edges, Mr. Toko?
Okay, now it's time for your next lesson. Let's learn the different properties of objects like the edges and corners. Let's start with the edges. Edges are known as borders or sides of an object. Now let's see the different types of edges. There are 2 types of edges, that is, straight and curved. Let's see some examples. A book has straight edges. The straight edges are also known as sides, and the frisbee has curved edges. Some more examples of objects having straight edges are a dice and a slate. Some other objects having curved edges are a ball and an egg. I hope you kids have understood the different types of edges clearly.
Oh yes, Mr. Toko.
I understood everything too, Mr. Toko.
Good. Now, let me see if you can answer some questions about edges. Can any one of you tell me the number of edges in a slate?
Oh yes, it has 4 edges.
Very good, Amber. And what about the dice? Can you tell me its number of sides?
It's a bit difficult, Mr. Toko.
No problem. I'll explain. A dice has 12 edges. 4 on top, 4 at the bottom, which makes it 8. And there are 4 vertical edges on the sides. So 8 plus 4 gives you 12. Moving on with the corners. A corner is the point where 2 edges or sides meet. Now let's count the number of corners for this dice. A dice has 8 corners, 4 on top and 4 at the bottom. And a slate has 4 corners. Can anyone guess the number of corners for these objects?
But they do not have edges which meet at a point.
Brilliant, Amber. Objects with curved edges do not have corners.
Wow! Thanks, Mr. Toko. We learned so many new things today.
Oh yes, Mr. Toko. Thank you.
You are most welcome, kids.
Wow! The different shapes and their properties are so interesting. Let's revise them quickly. The basic shapes usually used are square, triangle, circle, rectangle. The basic colors used are yellow, red, green, blue. Edges are borders or sides of objects. The different types of edges are straight and curved. Corner is a point where two edges or sides meet. Objects with curved edges like a ball and an egg do not have corners.